my fish lovers, do you want to learn how to make this delicious, luxurious, and very classy fish fillet that you would love, which is perfect for any day of the week, and above all, it's very, very easy to make? I can bet you this is going to be one of the easiest recipes that you will ever come across. Okay, let's dive right into the ingredients. For this recipe, I'm going to be using my basa fish fillet, which is the main ingredient of the show. Next, I have my herbs here and my seasonings, which I'm going to be mixing in a bowl. But let's go through them. So I have some parsley flakes, some ground black pepper, seasoning salt, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and some Italian style seasonings. And again, I do have the Rabia Unfolded Onion Powder. If you haven't watched my video on how to make your onion powder from home, then check my description box, as I'm going to be adding the link of this onion powder to the description box. Then I do have my extra virgin olive oil, just a lemon to wash my fish with, and some cherry tomatoes. Okay, let's start with washing our fish.
From my kitchen to your screen, little moments in between. Love is in the things I do. Every flavor tells the truth. From Cameroon roots so deep to the life I get to keep. Every story gently told. This is life, this is home.
So I pat dry my fish very nice and clean here, just so that the seasonings can stick on. And then I set it aside to mix my seasonings.
Rabia unfolded, where my world comes alive. African warmth in every bite, global flavor, real life. Unfolded, simple moments fully shown, from my hands to your heart. Welcome home.
I'll just take off my fish from this paper towel, place it on my board there directly. And then I'll drizzle on my extra virgin olive oil. And massage it like on the fish. Both sides, or flip the other side and do same. I'll sprinkle on my herbs and marinate it nicely. Look at that. You want to rub it in so well that the marinade sinks into the fish very well, and the fish is fully coated with the marinade. Look at that. I think I need some more here. Let's not forget the edges here. I want to marinate these cracks here. Oh, perfect. Oh, that's gonna be juicy. Huh? Okay, I'll flip it again. Marinate the other side. Perfect. Look at that there. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in my baking pan. drizzle in a little bit more extra virgin olive oil. Add in my tomatoes. So I'm going to put it in the oven to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for another 15 to 20 minutes. Just take a look at this, my people. You can imagine how it's going to taste when it's ready. And there we have it, my people. Our classy and luxurious fish fillets are ready to be served. Just take a look at that. Oh, it smells heavenly. You can serve them with some spaghetti, some boiled white rice, and even better with some mashed potatoes. Check out my video on the most creamiest and dreamiest mashed potatoes you would ever have. And I promise you, you're not only going to thank me later, but you're going to give me at least one subscriber. Okay, let's check this out. Thank you so very much for watching. This means a lot to me actually. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share it with someone you think might be interested in this easy recipe of any day of the week. And don't forget to subscribe to Rabia Unfolded for more delicious and cozy recipes every week. Until next time, see you in the next episode of Rabia Unfolded. Cheers.